Good afternoon, students. And today is, 24th November 2020. And earlier I told you about the neutrality, concept of neutrality, and started with the measurement. So today there are some other measures of marriage and divorces are there, which I have to deal with, which I left you yesterday. And the other measures, besides the crude marriage rate, besides the refined marriage rate, there are some other marriage rates or divorce rates. For example, age, sex specific marriage or divorce rate. Because I within bracket I have written divorce because same formula applies for the marriage, and when we'll for the marriage we will write here M, and for the divorce I will write here D. Okay, so this formula is meant for age specific divorce rate. So what is age specific marriage or divorce rate? As you can see, this is age specific divorce rate is equal to D female population, female aged 39 divided by P total population of female of age 39 into 1000 per 1000 specific age of 39. What is the divorce rate of any particular country? This we can measure by this formula. And when we talk about the age specific marriage rate, then we will write ASMR is equal to D in place of D M F39 divided by P F39 into 1000. That will convert into age specific marriage rate. So with this formula, we can calculate or we can measure in any country a specific age rate or specific age marriage or specific age divorce rate of the population, by which we can narrate the various socio-economic factors or story of that particular country. So another one is called as order specific marriage or divorce rate. What do you mean by order? Order means I earlier told you about the polygamy society. When there is man marries more than one females, then that is called as order. OSMR is equal to M first marriage divided by P population more of 15 of normal marriage into 1000. This is called as order specific marriage rates. And then in the last, this is total marriage rate. Generally, we calculate total marriage rate in a particular country or a particular region or a particular districts. TMR is called TMR F, that is female population. Sigma infinite. A is age 15. M is a marriage of female age. A is particular age divided by total population of female age into 1000. This is called as total marriage rate. So ultimately, for the sake of population studies and for the neutrality rate, usually we calculate total marriage rate. Okay. And there are some common marriage measures. For example, average age at first marriage. By mean and median we calculate it. And proportion, ever or never married, we also try to calculate this also. So dear students, there are households and family stats which is affected by size, structure, number of generations, characteristics of socio-economic characteristics and dynamics over time. This is called as households and family stats, by which we use to calculate the neutrality rate also. And there are some other terms besides divorce called separation. And in America, the separation and divorce rate are high. Do we like or not like marriage? This is a basic question in America. So one of the highest marriage rates and one of the highest divorce rates is also existing in America. One of the highest remarriage rates is also in America. So when we discuss it, there is a matter of discussion. What are some reasons you personally might consider a divorce? And falling out of love an appropriate reason for wanting a divorce. This is the context of developed nations like America. So what were you taught growing up about the acceptability of the divorce? So this is socio-economic aspects. So students, idealization of marriage. By 1974, more marriages ended by divorce than by death in America. Okay, and divorce is equal to deviance versus part of family life cycle. And when we try to measure there, the divorce rate was 50%, 2.2 million marriage annually, 1.1 million divorce annually, and all marriages and all divorces, in which 60 million married couples in US and 1.2 million divorce annually in US, and divorce rate is 2%. So this is a global rate or global pattern of marriage and divorce circumstances. Okay, so when we measure the divorce rate, then there is a crude divorce rate which called as number of divorce in a given year of every 1,000 people in population. In 2002, there were 4 divorce for per year 1,000 in America, which is very high. Okay, so divorce trends in the US is very high, and this is a part of discussion also. And in the country like India, in the urban settings, nowadays we used to talk about the marriage and divorce trends in the urban India also. So this was the second topic which we have to discuss. That and now, dear students, let us talk the factors affecting the divorce. We can see there are many factors, that is shift from agriculture to industrial society. You can see better, shift from agriculture to, and second, social integration, and third, individualistic American culture, and fourth, demographic. There are demographic factors, which is employment status, income, educational level, ethnicity, religion, and family processes, in which marital happiness is important, children are important, marital problems are there, and no fault divorce. So these all are the factors affecting divorce. So students, these all factors could also be applied in urban settings of India. So let us see and let us measure all this through your data collection. Thank you.